Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create Phantom Wallet. First, search Phantom Google extension. Click the first link that is shown. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add extension. After it is downloaded, click Create a new wallet. Make sure to create your password wisely. Click Continue after entering your password and make sure to agree to the terms of service. We can see a secret recovery phrase. This is a code that you can only know, so make sure to remember the word that you have chosen. If you are done, click Continue and let us get started. Click the extension button that can be seen above, near Bookmark button, and then make sure to pin the Phantom. Click the violet logo or the Phantom logo. As we can see, this is the inside of the wallet. I do not have balance at the moment. There are some options below. We have collectibles and recent activities, and we can also search for apps. And that's it. That is how you create a Phantom wallet. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.